Yeah, so how much more fuel will you use if by driving at 70 miles an hour compared with driving at 50 miles per hour? Is it about 75%, 15%, 5%, or 100%? Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we have a video on the theory. In this video, I'll be doing a theory quiz with a learner driver who has his theory test coming up very soon. And yeah, this is something that I'll be doing regularly on the channel, guys. So any of you that want to take part, all you have to do is drop a message on our Instagram. Just write on the message theory and we'll select people randomly. Yeah. So just make sure you've still got to do your theory test. So I don't want anyone on who has already done the theory test, maybe at a later stage. And yeah, just drop a message on Instagram. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, the app that I'm going to be using for these theory questions is the Complete Theory Test Kit app. So any of you that do need to still revise your theory, I would recommend this app, yeah. The link is going to be in the description below. Okay, right. So today we have Adama, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us a bit about your driving. You taking lessons at the moment?
Pardon?
Are you taking lessons at the moment?
No, not at the moment. Yeah, I used to drive until I got banned last season.
Okay, that's something I didn't know. So you got banned.
Yeah.
So would you like to share with everyone why you got banned, or?
Yeah, just due to insurance. It's a little bit complicated in that. Because I've got a twin sister, and then she was involved in the car accident, and then what happens? The accident claims got put into my name, and I was driving without realizing that my policy got stopped because of that, and then and then I was called the police.
Okay.
I was in my first year of driving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why in the first 2 years, if you do obviously get anything like that, yeah, you have to do your whole test again, yeah. Okay. What was the reason that you got stopped?
Yeah, so if when they stopped me, I actually thought it was because I was five miles over the limit, and then that's when they were like, "Oh no, it's not because of that. It shows up that your car is not insured." And I just I mean I was literally arguing. I was like, "Well, my car is definitely insured." So when I called the insurance company the following day, they then said that, "Oh, the policy, we had to cancel the policy because it's been reported that by the underwriter insurance that you had through accident, which you never reported."
Okay.
Oh yeah, it was it's a long process, but managed to get it sorted now.
Yeah, so well, you're okay to do your test and everything again now, yeah?
Yeah, I'm okay to do my test. So yeah.
So you got your theory test coming up very soon, you told me earlier. So
yes.
what
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do today, is I'm going to ask you 10 theory questions today, yeah? Okay. And let's see how many you get right, yeah? If you get 8 or more correct, you can choose any one or any one of the products that are promoted, like the Ultimate Driving Course, the driving footwear, or this theory app as well, yeah? Okay, will be free access to that. I haven't even discussed that with the theory company, but I know they're pretty cool, and then they should be okay about it, yeah? Okay, right then, so the app that I'm using, like I mentioned, the Complete Theory Test Kit app, guys. So I'm going to do a smart session. So you can do a category session, or you can do a smart session, which will just mix up the questions. They'll give us 20 questions. I'm only going to ask you 10. So say if we come up to a question, I think it's too easy, I'm going to skip that one, yeah? Okay, so we're going to have 20 questions on here, but I'm only going to select 10, yeah? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, ready, yeah.
Right, first question. What makes your tyres illegal? Yeah. A, if they have different tread patterns. B, if they were bought second hand. C, if they have any large deep cuts in the side wall. Or D, if they are different makes.
C.
Well done. Correct answer. Okay. Next question. Right, you've broken down on a two-way road. You have a warning triangle. At least how far from your vehicle should you place the warning triangle? Is it 5 meters, 45 meters, 100 meters, or 25 meters?
45 meters.
You're going with 45 meters, yeah?
Yeah.
Which is 147 feet.
Mm-hmm.
Final answer?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Well done. So somebody has been revising, yeah. Right. Third question. You're traveling on the motorway. How can you lower the risk of a collision when the vehicle behind is following too closely? Yeah. A, move onto the hard shoulder and stop. B, brake sharply. C, increase your distance from the vehicle in front. Or D, switch on your hazard warning lights.
C.
Well done. Three out of three so far, yeah? Okay, great start. So this is a sign, yeah? Okay, so what does this sign mean? So take a look at the sign. Yeah? You got it?
Yeah.
Right. Now, what does it mean? Does it mean cycle parking only, end of cycle route ahead, or no cycling?
Yeah, cycle route. So end of cycle route. Yeah. End of cycle route, yeah.
Yes, so you're gonna go for end of cycle route.
I know it's either cycle route ahead or end of cycle, but I'll have to go with end. Yeah.
End of cycle route, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Wrong answer. You know the other option you were saying, cycle route ahead.
Yeah.
What was that? Remember, this is a warning. It's in a red triangle, which is warning you of something. So it's warning you. So anything in a red triangle is always a warning. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So it's warning you that there's a cycle route ahead. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What does it mean when a moving vehicle is showing a flashing amber beacon? A, the vehicle has broken down. B, the vehicle is slow moving. C, the vehicle is a doctor's car. Or D, the vehicle belongs to a school crossing patrol.
Can you repeat the answers again, please?
I'll repeat the question as well. Yeah. What does it mean when a moving vehicle is showing a flashing amber beacon? The vehicle is broken down. The vehicle is slow moving. The vehicle is a doctor's car, or the vehicle belongs to a school crossing patrol.
It's a slow moving vehicle.
Going for slow moving vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Correct answer. Good. So you're halfway there, 5 questions, and you've got just one wrong so far, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 5 more. So when may a passenger travel in a car without wearing a seatbelt? A, when they're sitting in the rear seat. B, when they're exempt for medical reasons. C, when they're under 1.5 meters in height. Or D, when they're under 14 years old.
B, when they're exempt for medical reasons.
Well done. Question number 7. What could cause you to crash if the level is allowed to get too low? Yeah, so what could cause you to crash if the level is allowed to get too low? Is it the battery water level, the antifreeze level, the radiator coolant level, or the brake fluid level?
Brake fluid.
Well done. Okay, next question. So what does this sign mean? You got that, yeah?
Yeah.
Looks like you know the answer with that grin on your face.
Yeah, because I remember what you say, triangles, warnings.
Okay, right. So is it road noise, adverse camber, side winds, or airport?
Side wind.
Side winds.
Mm-hmm.
Well done. Okay, next question. How much more fuel will you use by driving at 70 miles per hour compared with driving at 50 miles an hour? Yeah, so how much more fuel will you use by driving at 70 miles an hour compared with driving at 50 miles per hour? Is it about 75%, 15%, 5%, or 100%?
Oh.
15. 74. Sorry, which one are you going for?
It is 75.
75, 15, 5% or 100%?
15.
15, yeah?
Yeah,
Final
100%.
answer?
Yeah.
Well done. Good. Okay, so we're on the final question now.
Mm-hmm.
You've only got one wrong so far, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the final question, and it's about these road markings and why they should be kept clear. So that's a road marking.
Mm-hmm.
You got it?
Yep.
So should that road marking be kept clear? Is it A, to allow teachers to park, B, to allow children to be dropped off at school, C, to allow children to be picked up after school, or D, to allow children to see and be seen when they're crossing the road?
D, last one.
To allow children to see and be seen when they're crossing the road.
Yeah.
Correct answer. Well done. Right then, Adama. So that was pretty good. Yeah. Even some of the questions which definitely needed revising, you got the answers correct too. Yeah. Okay. So how far did you theory test?
On Thursday.
Okay. So what? A couple of days time. Yeah.
Yeah, literally. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure you're gonna pass all the question part. How are you getting on with the hazard perception part?
Yeah, that's I found that really easy. Yeah, so far I've been like I've got like what 65 out of 70
Okay. Cool.
consistently. So yeah.
Good. Right then. So yeah, you can just drop me a message. Yeah, let me know which one of the ultimate driving course or the driving shoes. Yeah, or the theory app, whatever you want. I'll get that sent over to you. Yeah. Okay. And thanks a lot for doing this theory quiz. Yeah. Okay, and all the best with your theory test and your practical driving test. Yeah, when you have that.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. See ya.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I hope you found that video useful, and good luck to any of you who have got their theory test coming up. And remember, if you need help or you need a good app to revise the theory, then download the complete theory test kit app. And then, yeah, if any of you want to take part, like I mentioned earlier, in one of these theory videos, then just please drop a message on Instagram at DJN Driving, just with a message theory. And guys, like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.